Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to order pizza using the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and click into Uber Eats app on your mobile device. And then you'll come to the home page here. And now what you want to do is click on the search Uber Eats. So click into that and then type in pizza. Now what that's going to do is going to show all the local pizza restaurants that is near your current address. So as you can see, I've got 384 results of different pizza places I can order from. So you just have a scroll down, find which one you want to use, have a look at the ratings as well, and it will say the delivery time. So if I make an order from Super, or do another one, where is it? A good one, Bravo Nord, this pizza place here, it's got a 99-cent delivery fee, but it will take 25 to 40 minutes. So if you want a pizza that will arrive quicker than that, just have a look. So if I go near the top here, Marcelina's, a 99-cent delivery fee, but it will take 10 to 25 minutes. So this pizza is going to arrive quicker. And just have a look at some of these deals. It says here 0 delivery on a spend of $30 or more. So keep that in mind. Try and find a good deal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click into Marcelina's. And now I'm going to fill out this form here. So I want it to be delivered. And if I scroll down, you've got all the different options. So if I want a pizza combo, if I want a 12-inch meat lovers pizza, I'm going to go click add. So that's added to my cart. I'm going to add this now. I can add some toppings and dietary substitutions. Got all these different options depending which pizza place you use. And up top they have most popular options. So I'm going to click on this mozzarella cheese on top. So I want to add one to cart. And now I'm going to go view cart. Alright, so you can request some utensil straws. You can add a note. So if you live in an apartment, you can say what room number it is, etc., or give a text when you're there. So just add a note. That will be helpful to the pizza place when delivering it. And then what I'll do, I'll click on go to checkout, and then click on no thanks, I don't want an extra pizza. And now once you're at the checkout section, double check and make sure the address is correct. And then you got the instructions, meet at my door. You can add special instructions on top of that. So your standard 10 to 25 minute wait, priority. You can schedule a time if you like as well. So if you click on schedule, you can schedule a time. What else we got here? So if you got a promotion, you can add a promotion here as well. And then I'm going to click on next. And then click on place order, and you can also add a tip to the driver. I'm not going to proceed with this order because this is just a demonstration. So yeah, that's it guys, how to order pizza using the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.